I think one of the coolest things about working with data at Google is that we have one of the world's most valuable data sets. People refer to Google data as really a lens into human curiosity. We often look at Google as really a proxy for what's happening in the world. And so for many of our advertisers, they really value the data and the insights that we're able to give them from Google because they believe it's a proxy or a reflection of what's happening in their business or within their industry. And so I think the value of the data that we're able to work with at Google really keeps me interested and excited about the work that I do. So I came to Google about 3 years ago after spending a few years in consulting. And so I was really interested in switching into a role that was really focused on sales and marketing, but at the same time, I still wanted to be able to leverage the analytical skill set that I had gained prior. This role was a great complement to the skill sets that I already had and the interest that I had in moving into the sales and marketing function. I think one important thing for all students to realize is that no one learns this material overnight. Many of your colleagues you may look at as experts, but most likely they've been able to gain that level of expertise through their years within the field. I think one of the biggest attributes that students should keep in mind is that the most important thing that they need to have throughout this learning journey is grit. Grit to understand that it may be a struggle, it may be a challenge, but if you put in the work and you put in the time, these concepts will eventually click, and you'll be well on your way to becoming a data analyst. Hi, my name is Ayanna, and I'm a Global Insights Manager here at Google.